As part of Mercedes-Benz's introduction of the new CLE series, the CLE Cabriolet is set to make its debut following the release of the CLE Coupe. This open-top variant is designed to cater to enthusiasts who cherish the joy of open-air driving. The CLE Cabriolet replaces both the C-Class Cabriolet and E-Class Cabriolet and is expected to mirror the technology and engines of the CLE Coupe. The design and style of the CLE Cabriolet will likely draw from the CLE Coupe, with an emphasis on elegant lines and luxurious features. Regarding dimensions, the Cabriolet is expected to be closely aligned with the CLE Coupe. It should have a long wheelbase and a design that highlights the sporty and elegant nature of the car. The convertible is also likely to share the suspension system with the Coupe, which includes 4 links per wheel at the front and a multi-link construction at the rear axle. A sportier suspension option with stiffer springs and more direct steering may also be available. Under the hood, the CLE Cabriolet is expected to offer similar engine options as the CLE Coupe. This could include a 6-cylinder powertrain in the form of a twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6 engine, along with a 4-cylinder variant. Both options are likely to include mild hybrid technology, with an integrated starter generator for enhanced efficiency and performance. A 9-speed automatic transmission and the 4-matic all-wheel drive system are anticipated to be standard features. In terms of interior features, the Cabriolet is expected to be adorned with the same level of luxury and technology as the Coupe. This includes a large freestanding central display, a digital instrument cluster, and high-quality materials throughout the cabin. It's likely that the Cabriolet will also feature the exclusive front seats with integral sport design and integrated speakers in the headrests, as seen in the Coupe. Additionally, the convertible top will probably be designed to ensure a quiet and comfortable ride when closed and an exhilarating open-air experience when open. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.